one contour palette used for concealer, foundation, contour, and highlight. First, I'm using Venice to highlight under my eyes and conceal my blemishes. I'm using my damp Splash and Swirl makeup sponge to blend in all of my concealer. Next, I am mixing Aloha and Venice to give me the perfect foundation shade. Back at it with the Splash and Swirl sponge. On to contour. I'm using Glam Mud to, give me that shape to my face and give me some color. And Orchid on the apples of my cheeks. And we're done. Just kidding. Blend it all in. Keep blending. Yes. No. Keep going. I always like to go in with more blush because I love me some rosy cheeks. So here I am adding more Orchid. And what's a full face of makeup without some highlight? I'm using Daylight Savings. The perfect matte velvet lip in Toasty. Those hair jewels though, am I right? Naomi in orange.